So I was told about a car meet. Not really a car meet, it's more of a like a chill music kind of thing going on tonight. My boy hit me up, told me to come through, so that's what we're gonna do tonight. It's still early, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go. That bump is crazy. I'm gonna go practice, cause you know I play softball, so I'm gonna go practice with the guys first, and then later tonight we're gonna be outside. So if you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned in, man, cause it's crazy, man. Movie tonight. Hopefully the cops don't come and just ruin everything. But it should be fun though. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you what's up. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna just see you guys tonight, alright? Be safe.
I told you she was some kind of director.
Some kind of director.
I told you
some kind of director.
Se va a dormir. I'm in the minivan.
Anda un dona. Let me hear the 2J on that. Se fue el Uber. ¿De quién es ese Uber?
Ya para atrás.
Este para atrás. Yo he visto demasiados vídeos.
Demasiado.
Cuidado que ese sí un loco. That nigga run everybody over, bro. He don't give a fuck. A ese sí nunca se le acaba la goma. I don't know what. Yo no sé qué goma.
Man, shit in the air.
Nigga,
I keep flying into my eyes, nigga.
Don't blink.
You got glasses, nigga. You look.
Nigga, it still goes in though.
It's like weird stuff though that it comes out right away, right?
Yeah, it's the tires.
That happened to you too, nigga?
What?
Yeah, sometimes.
The tires.
Like, it's random.
Yo, let me help it. Let me help it.
Look at me. Nah, nigga, that nigga be pretty mad tired, nigga.
Bro, yo no sé qué. El mío se me viene explotado una
Nah, they
goma.
got money, that's why. Nigga said, nigga, it's $60 for tires.
Nigga, I ain't gonna like a police came and came over here, man. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, this spot was lit for mad long last time.
They can't even make it over here, bro.
Nah, you saw what he trying to do. He really trying to drive that shit with 1 foot, nigga.
Oh, what's good? What's good, my boy?
Oh my God, yes, sir.
Yeah. We can't let out the other move, the other one. Hey, stay. Go away. Do it. Hey. They got retarded, bro. Nigga, está sudado, bro. This nigga be sweating crazy.
Nigga, on water? Nigga, I'll get $10 right now for water.
Nah, you bugging. Dame los 10, ven, yo te la busco. Yo, what's up, bro? Nah, see, what's
That nigga water. Hey, ¿verdad?
Hey.
¿Tú estás?
Yeah, yo sé.
A coger la leche, loco. Told you, nigga, call
The
him
boys?
units.
Which boys? The niggas from the show? Ahorita viene Superman. Y la gente trompa todo el mundazo from the boys. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, we gotta walk OD though. My bad, nigga. It's what?
Oh my God.
Ay.
Nah, nigga, I think we gotta walk on the sidewalk, nigga. ¿Estás de blicky on me? Hago pila de mierda.
A ti te matan con la misma plica tuya, nigga.
Nigga, put these niggas got machetes in the car, nigga.
They
They're
got-
gonna jump you with machetes, nigga.